In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. We'll walk you through the process step by step so you can get your refund request submitted without any hassles. Whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user or just starting out, this guide will be easy to follow and help you navigate through the process smoothly. First, open up your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Go ahead and type in your email address and password into the respective fields. This is your gateway into the QuickBooks platform, so make sure you've got the correct information on hand. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. If you've entered everything correctly, this will take you directly into your QuickBooks account. Once you are logged in, take a look at the top right corner once again. This time you'll notice your profile photo. It's more than just a picture. Clicking on it opens a menu. From there, you'll want to select Manage Your Intuit account. This section is key because it handles all the account details and subscription settings you might need to adjust. After you've opened the account management section, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu. Look for and click on the Products and Billing section. This area displays all your product details, billing information, and various options concerning your subscriptions and purchases. Now, as you scroll towards the bottom of the Products and Billing page, you'll find a link labeled Request or Track a Refund. Click on that link and it will guide you to the refund processing page where you'll initiate your refund request. Here, you're going to click on the Intuit link, which keeps you within the company's umbrella of services and allows you to manage your refunds quickly. This is an important step because it connects you with Intuit's refund management system, ensuring your request goes to the right place. Once on the refund management page, you'll need to identify the specific product for which you're seeking a refund. To do this, use the search feature to look up the product name. If you have several products, make sure to select the correct one to avoid any confusion later. Subsequently, you'll be prompted to enter your order number. This number is critical for locating your transaction in the system. If you're unsure where to find it, check your purchase confirmation email or any billing notifications you may have received. These documents usually contain the order number at the top or near the billing details. Enter this number carefully to ensure accuracy. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address that is associated with your QuickBooks account. Make sure it's the same email you used for the purchase, as this will ensure a smooth retrieval of your order details. Once that's done, click on the Find My Order Details button. This step is essential because it allows QuickBooks to pull up all the relevant information related to your purchase and prepares it for the refund request. Finally, you're almost there. With your order details now visible, follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the refund request. This may involve confirming certain details or selecting a reason for the refund, so make sure to read through everything carefully before you continue. Once you've completed these steps, submit your request and wait for QuickBooks to get back to you. Remember, processing times can vary depending on the specifics of your request and their current workload, so a little patience is helpful here. You'll typically receive a confirmation email once your refund request has been processed, so keep an eye on your inbox for that important update. And there you have it. You've just learned how to navigate QuickBooks Online to request a refund efficiently. Keep these steps handy for the next time you might need them, and remember that the QuickBooks support team is available if you encounter any issues along the way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your QuickBooks journey.